How to open your padlock for the first time. Unprogrammed, the padlock can be opened with any fingerprint. To activate, push down on the shackle. The LED will blink. Place any finger on the sensor, for 1 second. The shackle can now be opened. How to set an administrator account. Press the shackle once. Then, press the fingerprint pad with your chosen finger for around 3 seconds. After the initial 2 beeps, a solid blue LED, and third beep, will confirm it is in programming mode. Next, input the administrator fingerprint 10 times in a row. When the light shines blue with a long beep, you have successfully set an administrator account. How to add an additional user. Press down the shackle, then hold a fingerprint on the reader, until 2 beeps are heard, and the LED light flashes red and blue. Now scan the programmed administrator fingerprint. Input the user's fingerprint 10 times. If the light shines blue with a long beep, you have successfully set a user account. The padlock can now be opened with the new user's fingerprint. How to carry out a factory reset. Press the shackle down, then place the administrator fingerprint on the reader, for 8 seconds, until the LED flashes red, with 2 beeps. Now place the administrator fingerprint on the reader again. A long beep confirms the reset. As you can see, any fingerprint now opens the padlock. How to charge the padlock. To charge, open the flap and insert the USB charging cable. How to open with a key. Remove the protective rubber stopper, then insert the key, and rotate clockwise, until the shackle releases.